Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I started with the Benefit Professional Matte Rescue Primer. I am rubbing it into my skin just to make sure that my foundation stays on all day long. And then I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Foundation in 420. It might look a little orange at first, but trust me, it is my shade. It oxidizes, so it'll get darker as I continue to blend it in. Alright, so now we're going to go in with the Born This Way Butterscotch Concealer. But first, I'm going to go in with that AJ Crimson Sample Concealer shade that I got a while ago in 5. And I'm actually going to conceal under my eyes with that one first, just to make sure that everything is, looking perfect and flawless. Then after that is when I'm going to go in with the Born This Way Concealer in Butterscotch. So now we're going to move right along to the contour. I am taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the shade Ebony. I'm going to contour my cheekbones and my forehead area. I'm going to take my e.l.f. brush that I got from Amazon.com and I'm going to blend this out. I love this brush. It blends my contour out flawlessly. There's no lines of demarcation. It's just a really great dense brush. Then I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I normally use the Ben Nye banana powder, but I ran out, so I'm going to be going in with that. And I like to use a light hand when it comes to this product because it can be a little cakey. So I do make sure that I dip it into the powder, then onto my hand and blow it as well, just to make sure I'm not picking up too much of that product. Then I'm going to pick up the Black Radiance contour palette that I always use in my videos, and I'm going to use those two shades. First, I'm going to use the sculpting shade just to sculpt out where I want to put the contour shade, and I'm going to do that everywhere I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick. And now for the eyes, I'm going in with my P. Louise base in the shade, I think it's 0 or 1 of those, whichever is the lightest shade. And I'm just going to blend that with a Morphe brush. It's really dense. Then I'm going in with the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palettes in the shade Bling Boss. And I'm going to be using all of the shades. All the shades you see me using, I'm going to be using from this palette. I'm first going in with the shade Sparks. Then later you'll see me going in with the shade Rockstar over Sparks. And then I'm going to use the shade Hush Hush on my lid. So continue to watch and just make sure you blend those shades. And now I'm going to be taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Tan Sand to cut my crease. Then I'm going in with my MAC mixing medium, and I'm going to go in with that glitter. I got that glitter a long time ago. I don't remember where I got it from, but I'm basically going to place the mixing medium on the little space that I left in between my cut crease and the lid shade, and I'm going to line the mixing medium first and then put the glitter on top. Then I'm going in with the Fluttered by Ro loose glitter. Shout out to B. Marie. She shouted them out on her Instagram, so I decided to order from them, and I must say their glitters are beautiful. I love them so much. Now I'm going to prepare my lashes for falsies. So I went ahead and used the MAC mascara that I always use, and while the glue is drying a little bit, I'm just going to go ahead and dust away all of that baking powder that I used. I'm going in with this Tarte blush. It's very light, and it's not too, bright because my eyes already have pink on them. Then I'm going in with this black eyeliner that I got from a local beauty supply store. And then I'm going in with the Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlighter, and I'm just going to highlight all of the highest points of my face using this Morphe brush. And lastly, I'm going in with this lip liner from MAC in the shade Vino. I'm going to line my lips, and then after I'm just going to go over it with the clear lip gloss. I got mine from my local beauty supply store. That concludes this video, y'all. I hope you learned something. If you did, make sure you give my video a like, comment down below anything you might want to see, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you get one whenever I post. Alright, and thanks for watching and thanks for the support. Bye, y'all. See y'all next time.